Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Putri Nordiana binti Muhidzi. In this video, I will talk about predation in animal and plant world. Okay, the word predation derived from the Latin word predare, meaning to plunder. And predation refers to a flow of energy between two organisms, predator and prey. In this interaction, the prey loses energy and the predator gains energy. Predation is an ecological process in which energy is transferred from a living animal to a surviving animal based on the behavior of a predator who captures and kills its prey before eating it. Food chain top tiers are occupied by predators. Okay, now I will talk about types of predation. There are four major types of predation. Okay, firstly is carnivore. Carnivorous predators kill and destroy their prey. Carnivorous is commonly associated with a huge predator such as a shark, tiger, or wolf, hunting smaller creatures such as rabbits or deer. Okay, next is herbivore. Herbivorous predation kills autotrophs like as plants or photosynthetic algae, and not every herbivorous interaction results in plant death, because it sometimes helps the plant as well. Alright, third is parasitism. Parasitism is a type of predation where the host provides necessary nutrients for the parasite's survival and reproduction. Okay, last type of predation is mutualism. Mutualism is the interaction of two organisms where the host provides nutrition and shelter for another species' development and reproduction. Now I will talk about example of predation. First is carnivorous predation. Predation by a carnivore can occur when two different kinds of species interact. And next is herbivorous predation. When herbivore graze, the plant regenerates the parts that were consumed, and the way that herbivores eat has been changed. Okay, next is parasitic predation. Plasmodium is the parasite that causes malaria. In fact, a wide range of animal hosts, including mammals, birds, and reptiles. Okay, last example is mutualism predation. Mutualism is visible in the connection between people and their gut flora, and the bacteria support digestion and offer defense against pathogenic bacterial invasion. In this slide, it's about chemical substance and warning coloration. Next is about mimicry and cryptic coloration. Okay, last is about alarm call and predator satiation. Okay, first is invertebrata. Spiders, insects, and octopi are invertebrates or animals without a backbone, and they typically consume their prey alive and prefer to lay in wait or set traps instead of going on the hunt for food. Here are some examples of invertebrate predation. Okay, next is birds. It seems strange to think of adorable songbird as ferocious predators, but practically all birds pursue their prey in some manners. And you can see example of bird predation in this situation. Okay, next is fish. There's always a bigger fish, as you may have heard. An example of fish predation include tuna, piranhas, and lionfish. Okay, now in reptile and amphibians world. For food, most reptiles consume other species. Their prey can range in size from a fly to a gazelle. And instead of stalking for food, they prefer to strike when the opportunity arises. And reptile and amphibians predation can include lizards and rattlesnake, also frog. Okay, last but not least, mammals world. In their food chains, mammals are frequently the top predators, and they consist of marine mammals, wolf pack, and big cats. Here are some ways you would see predation by mammals. Okay, last is plant world. Did you notice that plants may also be predators? Carnivorous plants cannot really move to pursue their prey, but they can wait for the right moment to eat insects or small animals. Here are some predatory plants' behavior. Includes